Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 31 of the MargareteMiller Collage Challenge, and our prompts for this week is something that represents a foreign country, and I have got this guy here. A scrap from a paper pad, I've got this little piece here. A text from book page, I've got that. Paint or watercolor, I have got this jelly print. A tree with leaves that are not green, I have got this fall scene. And bonus is tissue paper, and I've got that. So I hope everybody is doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right. First of all, I'm going to glue that prompt on that page so I won't lose it. Here lately, I've been losing everything on this desk. Always end up with too much going on at one time. All right. I'm just going to tear that down a little bit. And let's see how I want to do this. I have got, I think I'll put this on top. And I have got this. And I have this. Now, okay, and I have got him. Unfortunately, I may have to cut off his legs or his feet. All right. For some reason, I had a very tough time finding something that represents a foreign country. I don't know why. I find all this stuff when I don't need it, and then when I need it, I can't find it. Okay. Let me get my glue book. So, I'm going to start. I think I might back it up a little bit and go this way instead. Okay. So let me find my glue stick. Well, I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. We didn't do much this weekend. Tried to finish up the weed eating at the cemetery. My husband cuts our church's cemetery, but the weed eater messed up. And that was all that was liked. It's always something. Add that. Other than that, it wasn't a whole lot going on. Whoops. And let's see here. Got another piece somewhere. There it is. I figured that would kind of add the color there. And we will put this guy here. All right. Get that up there as far as I can. And I like that. I do hate I have to cut the poor guy's legs off, but sometimes in collage that just can't be helped. Go around him to get him to pop. Okay. We finally got some rain yesterday. We need it, but boy, it's humid today. That's the thing here in Mississippi. The rain is a nice break, but boy, it gets really, really humid afterwards. And down here. Okay. Now I feel like I need something there. Let's see what I can find. I've got a little bit too big. A little bit better. Still a little bigger than I want. Maybe just a piece of that. I can find just a something, just a little something. Wished I had some tiny flowers, but I do like that. Let me get these inked up. Just feel like it's a little bit bare down there. I don't think right there because I like the greenery coming out. So maybe something like that. there. And this here. Glue this down. And then I'll add in my mushroom. I didn't punch that out good. And it looks better when it's punched out, doesn't it? Alright. So we got that. And now, which is also watercolor, I'm going to add some splatters. This time, I want to use black, I think. If I can get it open. I'm going to do some black splatters here. And just kind of hit the edges there. Just a little bit more. And we will call that one done. So we have got our something that represents a foreign country. We've got this gentleman. A scrap from a paper pad. I've got that. Paint or watercolor. I've got my splatters, and I've got some piece of jelly print. Text from a book. Can't see it much, but it's there. Tree with leaves that are not green. We have got the fall leaves here. And the bonus is tissue paper, and I've got that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. I hope your week is wonderful. Be sure and check out MargareteMiller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP31 to see what everyone else has made this week. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all. Thank you.